Casey. This is Project 10s. Welcome to the channel. Today we're installing the 3-inch MBRP catback exhaust on the 2011 Mustang GT. We have the H-pipe, 3-inch H-pipe to go with it as well. The previous owner welded on some Flowmaster cans back at the axle but left the original piping. Made some sounds, probably didn't do much for performance, so we're going to be yanking that out. Not really going to give you guys step-by-step instructions on this, but we will show you a comparison of the two exhausts once we get the original exhaust pulled down. Then we'll get out to the track and see how it does for a quarter mile of time, so stick around. Alright guys, so we finally got the old exhaust off the car. Took a little bit more time than we were expecting. A lot of the connections were really rusted on. The number one problem we ran into is getting the pipe to clear the rear axle. If you don't have the car high enough in the ground, off the ground, there's no way you're going to be getting that thing to clear. You can see we kind of kept going and going. We got the front jacked up the rear about as high as we could. Finally were able to kind of wiggle it out. Another issue we had with the H-pipe, if you're going to be doing a full H-pipe replacement, is these bolts for the clamp are inaccessible because they're at the top instead of facing down where you could actually get to them. So we hopped on there with the grinder, cut the clamp right off. We're not reusing those clamps anyways, and we got the H-pipe down. So you can see it's a very restrictive system with the resonator, a lot of bands and just a thin pipe. So we'll be putting the new pipe on and get back to you in here in just a minute. What's up guys, as you can see it is the next day. We finally got the exhaust install finished up, ran out of time yesterday. We had to get the car up even higher to get the new exhaust up over that axle. One thing that helped was removing the breather off the driver's side rear axle. Gave us just that little bit of clearance that we needed. Sounds really good. We're going to be heading to the track, so stay tuned, stick around for our next video. Heading up to the track tonight, do a little head-to-head racing, see if we can bring our times down at all from last week. So let me leave you off with a little cold start real quick.